Here's how to identify the font in a logo for free. First, head over to the website myfonts.com/pages/whatthefont. I will also leave a link in the description of this video so that you can find that link there as well. Once you're on that website, click on Upload an image. And then select the logo with the font that you would like to identify. And click on Open. You should then find an automatic selection of the font within your logo. If the selection of the font is not accurate, you can use these handles right here to adjust it by yourself. Once that is done to identify the font within your logo completely for free, all you need to do is to click on Identify Font right here. And you will then get a list with the fonts that are most similar with the font in your image. And if you're lucky, you will get an exact match, like we did here. The first font that you will find in this list right here is usually the one that is most similar with the font in your logo. And in our case here, we have an exact match. Let's have a look at our logo again for a second. And as you can clearly see, this is definitely the exact same font. So the font used in this logo right here is the Open Sans Soft X Bold font. Now, after identifying the font, if you would like to purchase the font, you can do that by clicking here on Get this font, and then purchase this font directly from this website if desired. But there's obviously also a chance that this font is already integrated in one of the design softwares that you're using, like for example Photoshop or Canva. So check there as well if you can maybe find that font and use it there for free if you already have access to these tools. And that's it guys, this is how you identify a font in any logo for free. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.